Hello, my beautiful magical friends. Today we're opening up Mindful Souls. This is the second time we've opened it here on our channel. I'm super excited to see what's inside. I just got this fear that I didn't turn my mic on. Let me see. I think it's on. Is this thing on? You guys remember that? Brittany reference. Mindful Souls is a monthly subscription. It's about a little less than $40. There is a code they gave me to share to get 20% off your first month. It's not affiliated, meaning I don't get a kickback or anything. It's just to help you guys out. But thank you, Mindful Souls, for sending me this box. Not sponsored, not affiliated, but pretty awesome. So we're going to see what's inside. You get spiritual items. Last month we got some crystals and some other items as well. I love their logo, but let's not waste any more time. Let's get this open. So right on top we have this card here that talks about everything inside. I think there's a theme every month. Let's see what this says. There's a quotation right here. The more regularly and the more deeply you meditate, the sooner you will find yourself acting always from a center of peace. J. Donald Walters. I was just saying in the video I recorded before this about the new moon and stuff, how I need to meditate more. It's like something I love and I do, and I just don't like do it all the time. Like I always feel good after. I'm like, why don't I just like wake up and like remember to do it? I don't know. Anyone have tips? But I'm thinking that we might have some things in here to help with meditation, which is awesome. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, cool. There was one affirmation we got like this. So I think they send this in each box. I love affirmations. Another thing I was just talking about in the last video I recorded, which is actually on my other channel called Kitty Outside the Box. You guys like tarot and astrology and spirituality and all that. That's what I cover on that channel, so I will link that down below. If you're into that, I would absolutely love it if you checked it out, and if you enjoyed it, I would love it if you subscribe. And by the way, hi guys, I'm Kitty. If you guys are new here. If you're not, welcome back. I'm a lot of it. I'm like, it's almost dinner time, and I'm like, yeah, I'm a little hungry, but I didn't want to wait any longer to open this box. But I love subscription boxes along with spirituality and all of that and astrology, so if you guys like subscription boxes and haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. I post an unboxing video every day here at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. But back to the box. Affirmation for ease. It's all about keeping it simple and doing it well, and that's what I do, easily and routinely. Yes. Routines is another thing I need to work on. So this would be a great affirmation for me. The last month was about abundance, so affirmation for ease. Yeah, if everything just go easy, like smoothly, and that definitely is true when you stick to a routine. Oh my god, there's a pretty little sticker here with whales. Oh my god, whales and moons and stuff on it. How cute. And this is just like a little bonus, yes. And then here's a peek of everything inside. So the items come in little bags. So let's start with this one. So it has their logo on the bags too. So there are crystals in this one too. It says, please note it's important to cleanse and energize your crystals as soon as you obtain them. Ooh. Oh, I didn't know chalcedony, it's usually blue. This is green chalcedony bracelet. It's time to nurture yourself and invite chalcedony. Why do I always feel like I'm saying that wrong? Oh, it doesn't even say that word next. It's time to nurture yourself and invite compassion into your life. Green chalcedony, also known as a protector from evil, will absorb negativity and harmonize your body, mind, and soul. Wear this bracelet every day and allow this crystal to absorb you in the presence of kindness and goodwill. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. I love green. I like to have green around for like abundance, but it's also like representative of your heart chakra, which is something I need to open up more and work on. Ooh. So I'm like reading this before I even get to things. So we have here the Boho, or this doesn't say the, it's Boho spirit necklace. This necklace is truly powerful because of the symbols it carries. Let me get this. It's a layered necklace here. A little tangled up. See, that's the one thing I don't like about layered necklaces like this. I know I'm going to get all tangled even when I wear it. But I'll just show you. Let's see if I can get it untangled quick, because that would be cool. I'm just going to show you. Maybe if I unclasp it. But there's a moon, which is believed to bring deeper intuition and protect the wearer. The elephant is a symbol of good fortune. The Om symbolizes the most powerful or most profound concepts of universal creation, and including existence itself. The Wheel of Life represents the Buddhist view of the universe. Sorry, I'm trying to read and untangle this so I don't have to like pause the video or anything. I think I got it. But yeah. I always have trouble keeping my necklaces, like, even from, like, this one's probably moved around. I think I play with them, though. Come on. Okay. Almost. I guess this is what it would look like if I wore it. It would not stay like this. Yeah, I kind of wish it was just, like, one, but that's, like, me personally, like, one pendant. But it looks like it'll be really pretty. It's just going to be, like, always a mess. Because this is taking too long for me to even... I'm like, I'm hungry, and here's the moon. So it doesn't say the pricing or anything on here, but... See, is it sterling silver? I don't think so, but it doesn't seem cheap or anything like that. Here is the elephant. Here's the other two. Yeah, I'll try one more time. I don't edit my videos anymore, so I don't want to make you guys wait forever. Did I get it? It is pretty. I do like it. I just don't like when things are a struggle to do, because I like things to be ease. I like ease. It's all about keeping things simple and doing it well. Maybe if I keep saying the affirmation, I'll be able to get this freaking on. What the heck? It doesn't even want to get on me. Why am I... Okay, we're not going to put it on, I guess. But why wouldn't that clasp? Yeah, this is... I just can't imagine putting this on all the time just because it just comes right off. You know, if you don't get it in a hoop, sometimes there's like a little thing to block it. Okay. I do like it. Let's see if it gets tangled. Doesn't like it. Yeah, it's pretty. What do you guys think? But let's move on. Sorry, I spent way too much time on that. Good vibes. A pin. What do you guys do with pins? I have a few that are super cute and I just have them around. But it says, being in a positive mindset is a powerful choice that can bring miracles to you day by day. This charming good vibes pin will serve you as a reminder to concentrate on the higher energies while bringing your attention to clarity and giving yourself a little mental boost every time you do it. Like, I do like that, but I don't know. I'm not going to, like, pin it to my shirt. So I just always wonder what people do with pins. Let me know. And then we have a red smudge stick. Oh, red smudge sage. Is it just like painted? See how that's a little bit green there? Or is that how it normally is? Create yourself a little ritual and cleanse the aura with this adorable red smudge sage. Burning this mountain sage combined with dragon's blood. Oh, that's what the red is. Dragon's blood on it. Okay. Dragon's blood resin is a natural way to purify negative energy while at the same time inviting wisdom and clarity to your mind. Light this sacred, protected plant. Use its healing powers and uplift yourself with this tranquil yet refreshing atmosphere. I do like dragon's blood. It smells mostly like sage, but sage has more of a scent. I'm actually filming this. The new moon is occurring in about like 6 hours. And I was just saying in a video I was filming before about the new moon that it's great to declutter and cleanse your space, like declutter and then do like a smoke cleanse. So I will use this tonight, actually. This is probably what I'm the most excited about so far. I like the bracelet too. I don't know. No. I don't think I have green quartz. Evoke your inner wisdom, harmony, and creativity with the support of this precious green quartz stone. Its greatness is best revealed when carried, so put it in your pocket or purse. Have it by your side throughout the day and allow the soothing and peaceful vibrance to stabilize the negative and positive energies as you uplift from within. Interesting. And then we have a 7 chakra sun catcher. Get more in touch with the universe by inviting the sun to play this captivating dance of vivid and bright colors in the environment. And the picture looks like it'd be a lot bigger. I have a few of these now. I would like if these were like real stone. They kind of just seem like they're like colored glass. But I guess if it's a sun catcher, does that work better that way? Do you guys think this is worth $50 or like $40? I'm trying to think right now, I think. I mean, I do like this, but yeah, like I was saying, like I have other ones that have like different stones, but these do seem to catch the light better. And then we have our green chalcedony bracelet, green quartz, the red smudge stick, the good vibes pin, and this necklace here, the Boho spirit necklace. I think I liked last month's box better, but I don't know. This seems a little bit pricey for what you get, but let me know your thoughts down below. And they also have a shop too if you want to check out their stuff there. But I would have to say what I'm the most excited about is the sage. I wish it smelled more like dragon's blood, but that's okay. I like that it has the properties of it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.